Welcome to the Aquatic Fitness Muscles. My name is Julie Twynham and I'm the Educational Director of the Water Art Fitness Training and Certification Programs. This program has been designed as an introductory muscle conditioning workout. We will teach you where your muscles are and how they will move to benefit with any exercise. Water training can be equated to weight training on land, but it's much more enjoyable and refreshing. The most important thing is that you push downward into the water to get the most out of the exercises and feel that the muscle is working at the specific area we are targeting. Try and do at least 3 to 5 sets of 8 to 25 repetitions. Start slow and gradually build, and you'll have a sculpted body in no time. Begin your water art